Hi, my growing brainies. So, Mini, your grammar buddy, is once again back with you, and we are together at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your book, The Grammar Hub by Feathercap. Going ahead in the journey, we'll be starting chapter 21 of your book, in which we'll be learning more of the punctuation marks and the uses of capital letters. So, are you ready? Let's get started. What is a paragraph? It's a short piece of writing that consists of related sentences about a single topic. That's what I just told you. And what you have to remember while you are writing a paragraph, students, always remember that your paragraph should be given a title, a heading based on what you are explaining, what you are elaborating, the idea that is being elaborated there, right? So the first thing to remember is give a title to your paragraph. Coming to next is the introductory sentence. The introductory sentence should give the exact idea of what you want to say in the paragraph. So that covers the main topic, which is called the exact idea of the paragraph. Then the sentences ahead are related to this, and make sure that they go in a sequence. That means the sentences which are more important, they should come in the beginning, then going on it decreases, and the least important things should come at the end. So this is how we follow the sentence structure there. We start with the main topic, and then from the most important to the least important details we carry on writing the sentences, just correlating one after the other. And finally, the last 2 or 3 sentences must give the conclusion about that topic. Fine. Is the structure clear to you? Okay. Then let's have a look at few examples on how to write paragraphs. Like we have here, friendship is important in life. So it can be about friendship also. You can say it's about importance of friendship. You can give different headings to your paragraph. Now, because you are introducing the importance of friendship in life, you must define friendship. It is important to all. Yes, we cannot think about a life without friends, right? So, friendship is very important to us. We all need friends. Why do we need friends? We all need friends. Why? We have to share so many things with them. We play with them. We spend time with them. We can study with them. What all are the things that you do with your friends? So that is the need. If you don't have friends, how are you going to do those activities? All alone? So will you find that much fun there? Will it be possible to do all the activities without your friend being single only? No. So you need friends to have different activities together, to have fun together. But does a friend mean only spending the joy together? Only sharing the good times together? No. You need friends to share your sorrows also. So we'll keep everything in mind, and then we'll write the paragraph. So let's read it out. Friendship is very important to us. We all need friends in our life. We play with them, we talk to them, and also do so many other good things together, right? Then friendship makes us happy and strong, because that shows unity, and in unity we always feel stronger, right? So friendship that makes us happy and gives you strength also. When we are sad, God blesses us with friends to have fun, to have joy together, so that you can just get your mood changed. They make us feel happy and loved. Same happens with your family also. Remember, it's not about friends only. Your family also gives you lots of happiness, and you get love from them. Now, without friendship, we'll be lonely. Just what I explained. It fills the loneliness and makes life worth. Friendship can form between anyone. That means the status between people does not matter when you make friends. The caste, religion, they also make no difference when you tie friends together, right? So when you go for a hand holding for a friend, then you never ask before coordinating, before connecting to any person as a friend. You don't ask. What you ask is the name, isn't it? So when you just mingle up, you never ask what's your religion. Oh, if it is, I'm not going to talk to you, I'm not going to be friends with you. So nothing matters in friendship. It fills the loneliness, and friendship can form between anyone. That means irrespective of caste or religion. Sometimes men and animals are seen to be good friends. See, what to talk about the religion or caste. It can be a friendship between an animal and a human being also, between an animal and a bird also. So it makes no difference with whom you are going to friend. If you have pet, you would have realized that you can be a good, wonderful friend with your pet also. You spend lots of time, you have fun, you play with your pet, right? So it can be between anyone. They love and care for each other. This is more important in friendship, that you feel loved, you feel cared, and it should not be one way taking only, it's about giving also. So you have to be the same way loving and caretaking for your friend also. We should respect our friendship and love our friends. May God let friendship forever in our lives. So that means each one should be blessed with a wonderful friend, right? The coming to next topic is importance of politeness. Politeness, being polite. That is politeness. So when you just scream out, when you are rude, your parents, your teachers keep telling you, be polite, don't shout, don't scream, don't be rude, right? So here we are going to know about the importance of politeness. What is politeness? It's a great virtue, it's a great blessing. It costs nothing, but actually it wins everything. It wins everybody's heart if you are polite. If we are polite, we can win friends. So if you just meet some stranger of your age or junior or senior, whatever. So if you meet some stranger and right at the connect, you are being rude to that person. So do you think you can stay connected there? The other person will not even like to talk to you. So that is how politeness works. So that wins friends also. If we are polite, we can win friends. Even our enemies cannot harm us if we are polite. A polite person has no enemies, in fact. What to talk about enemies harming you? If you are polite, you'll never win enemies. That means you are never going to have enemies in your life if you keep polite. Even if the other person is rude, with your politeness, you can just change the personality of that person, at least towards you. Okay? So even those who are not polite are attracted by the quality of politeness. So they feel, oh wow, see, I am being rude to the other person, still that person is so polite to me. So the person gets attracted towards your good nature. We should never lose our temper, and we should always be polite to others when we talk to them. So always try it out. Even when we do not like the offers and requests of others, so you should not be rude, saying, no, I don't like this. Oh, no, this is not good. Not like this. You should always have the ability to turn down that offer, that proposal, that idea also politely. Don't be rude in turning down anybody's proposal or offer, right? So this is the importance of politeness. Now you have some topics which are given to you for paragraph writing, like the best day of my life, my role model, a scary dream, my earliest memory, and honesty is the best policy. So there are a few. Let's just pick out one topic here. I'll just give you a brief idea about what you should write there. The best day of my life. So it can be from your memories, the day you felt so happy, so great that you feel, oh, that has been my best day till now in my life. So you can just think about, recollect those past memories, and then you can write a paragraph on this. Coming to the next is my role model. What does that mean? A role model means a person whom you wish to follow, that in personality, in actions, in behavior, everything. So the role model is the person who inspires you. I hope you'll be able to write. Just think of the person who inspires you, whom you feel, oh, if I could be like that person. So what qualities do you see in that person? You have to give those qualities, and how you want yourself to fit into that character, right? So that is the role of a role model in your life. Coming to next is a scary dream. What is the meaning of scary? Horrible, dreadful, something that scares you out. So we'll just go with the paragraph on this topic. Let's look at the other points also. My earliest memory. So what you have in your memory, what you remember from your past learnings, so your earliest memory will come there. That means that could be like when a child, a baby is born. So you don't have the memories of that time because you were not sensible by that time, isn't it? So when you start growing up, so what is the earliest memory of your life that you remember? That will be your earliest memory that you have to describe. So each one has different view on this. Each one has a different experience on the role model, on the best day of life, and even on my earliest memories. So you'll recollect the experiences, and then you'll write these paragraphs on your own. And the last but not the least is honesty is the best policy. So that you have heard about different stories also on honesty. Just think on how honesty can be, it can fit, it can be the best thing to do in life. You can give instances how you felt that honesty is the best thing, it's the best path to follow in life, right? Okay. Now coming to this point, the scary dream. Let's see how you can write about a paragraph like this. A scary dream. We all dream, sometimes good and sometimes bad. So do you experience dreams at night when you sleep? Everybody does, right? So sometimes you have good dreams, sometimes you get the bad dreams. Last night I had a really scary dream. And what was the dream? So this is the introductory line. So what was the dream about? I dreamt that I was strolling with my new friend. So you had a friend and you just went out for strolling, just for a normal walk along the road near my home, when suddenly a speeding car stopped by our side. So you were just strolling with your friend, and suddenly what happened? There was a car coming in a good speed and it suddenly stopped by your side. A horrible looking man came out of the car and he grabbed me and pushed me to the back seat. So he just wanted to lock you there at the back seat. My friend started shouting, but there was no one to come for help because it was night. So there was nobody to come for help. And what did your friend do? He ran towards home because when he felt helpless, he couldn't get any help. So he thought, I should now go back home and tell everybody what has happened. So he ran towards the home. And what happened in the meantime? Meanwhile, I tried hard to unlock the car and run out. But you know, when the child lock is there, so nobody can open the back door or any door from behind. So in spite of trying to unlock, but the back gate was on child lock. So he couldn't come out. You couldn't. I started crying and shouting in fear. Suddenly, now because it was all in dream, you started shouting in fear, and actually also you started shouting. So suddenly my mother came running to my room when she heard you shouting and crying, shook me and woke me awake. So she woke you up also, and she was like, why are you, she got worried, like why are you shouting? You were sleeping. So she was into that thoughts and she came. And then as soon as you opened your eyes, I opened my eyes and I found my mother sitting beside me. I was still sobbing and sweating all over out. So it was still, you were sweating, you were sobbing because you were still scared. You were still into that dream, what had happened. And then my mother took me into her arms to calm me down. So this is how your mother calms you, relaxes you. So she just hugged you. She put you into her arms. And I thank God that it was all a scary dream only. It was not a reality. Fine. So I hope with these three examples that I have just given to you here, you'll be able to write more of the paragraphs. So just go ahead with writing paragraphs on the other topics that are given to you and many more. Make reading your habit. Whenever you get an opportunity, just take some topic and read it. So that way you get idea about how to write on different topics. That will enhance your writing skills definitely. We'll be coming ahead with more sessions on grammar. Till then, happy learning, children.